Canvaopolis, Canvatastic, Canva awesome! I can't say it any other way to express all the new amazing updates Canva offers starting today. Let's not waste any time and get this Canvatageous party underway. My name is Jordan, and you know what time it is. Before we go full Canva, let me just remind you to sign up for our summer workshops patio party theme. We have in-person, we have virtual, and we have self-directed options, so you don't miss a beat. The link is in the description of this video, or just go to our Modern Learning website and you'll see the large icon right here to sign up today. Did I mention our in-person ones have only 25 spots each? And yes, there will be delicious homemade desserts. Sign up today.
Eat the cookie!
Here we go. Let me give you the best of the best new updates you'll want to start using with Canva. The main screen is a little more user-friendly now. The top options are located right here. Just choose your designs, templates, or the newly added Canva AI. In Canva AI, the sky is the limit. It will create what you like, how you like, and put some sprinkles on top, just as long as you prompt it.
7!
And yes, this is available for all staff. Remember Boardmaker? Neither do I. Because this alternative is incredible. Let's say I need a fun sorting activity for my class. Just type that in and let the AI do the rest. Need a flowchart? An interactive flashcard game? How about a vocab matching game for your class? Ask and ye shall receive. Well, when it comes to designing in Canva. This is definitely a game changer. Whether it's an image, video, writing, or something interactive, Canva's AI is just built different.
Bingo! Yahtzee! Is that your final answer? Our survey says!
How about easily adding any type of media format to your project? Here you'll see we're in a presentation. Beside the plus button is this new arrow. Select it and your next page could be anything shown here. This allows you to have a full project of different types of media. So you have your poster, your presentation, your video on a specific subject or topic, all right in one project. Canva achievement unlocked.
Chicken jockey!
Now in Canva, when it comes to video editing, you can see that they have a new type of multi-track editing. So when you're highlighted on a layer on your preview screen, it'll show you what you're also highlighted in your timeline. So it's easy to navigate and edit the length of every layer, whether it's text or any element you've added. And along with editing, you now have access to edit and add captions. Here's another really cool one. Let's say you have a banger of a presentation but don't have the notes to accompany it. Well, just select your slide, select notes, and select the Generate Notes button. And just like that, you have a script based on each slide you choose to generate. And that's just the tip of the Canva iceberg. I don't have enough airtime to include it all. You'll have to check it out for yourself.
You're in my world now, Grandma.
But right now, it's time to transition over to Megan with today's DHR Tip of the Week.
Hi, I'm Megan. Modeling is a fantastic pedagogical tool for things like showing students how to craft a paragraph or for breaking down tough math problems into manageable chunks. Modeling can also be an effective digital literacy tool. One way you can model good tech habits is to think aloud when navigating the internet in class. For example, say, I'm not sure if this website is reliable. I'm going to check who created it and when it was last updated. Or, this article seems interesting, but it only presents one side of the story. I'm going to look for some different perspectives. By demonstrating and voicing critical thinking and responsible online habits, we can have a powerful impact on our students' digital literacy. Back to you, Jordan.
Thanks, Megan. And that's it for today's episode. Till next time, stay awesome.